The hype about the new Ford Bronco is real, but let's talk about where it all started. The first gen, 66 to 77. Whether it's a day at the beach, going camping, hiking, it's the perfect vehicle. The Bronco was Ford's first purpose-built four-wheel drive vehicle, and as we know, off-roading has been popular ever since. Let's check out what's under the hood. Originally, you could have spec'd your Bronco with a 6-cylinder or a 302 V8, but now we've upgraded this one with a 5-liter Ford Coyote engine. We've added air conditioning, 4-wheel disc brakes, and power steering. For you Bronco enthusiasts that know, this Bronco's had the fenders cut and fender flares added. For this build, we chose to go with a Wimbledon white grille insert, and we color matched the bumpers to the body color. The chassis and suspension of this truck have the latest technology from Max Lighter Brothers. Of course, at United Pacific, we're going to incorporate our latest lighting technology into this build. These stock-looking taillights are actually LED with sequential operation, and we finished them off with our billet aluminum bezel. Being an off-road vehicle, safety and performance of your headlights is critical. These LED headlights are vibration and shock resistant. LED headlights have a color temperature of the light that allow the human eye to see farther in the dark. They're a lot brighter than any halogen or incandescent light. With the new chassis and suspension, it's a bit of a challenge to get into this vehicle, but check that out. Power step. What a great sound. For this Bronco, we chose the 5-liter Coyote. It's got 460 horsepower and 420 foot-pounds of torque. How about this for comfort? No roof on this Bronco, yet the AC is blowing icy cold. Couldn't be better on this summer day. We're sitting up high on BF Goodrich all-terrains, and it's super comfortable. The ride is fantastic. Let's explore the interior of this Bronco. What an inviting place to be. Check out this leather interior. We've outfitted this Bronco with a very special console. It's got a beautiful leather armrest, lots of storage capacity, a place for our audio system, and it has USB ports and cup holders. The leather-covered dash pad still has provisions for the windshield hold-down nuts to be removed, and you can fold the windshield for open-air driving. Also, the stock glove box is still here, but as you can see on this truck, it's full of modern electronics and the air conditioning. Good thing we have this console for the real storage space. We elected not to use the original hardtop on this Bronco, but in its place we have a beautifully constructed roll cage. Gives it all the strength and safety of the hardtop with the open-air experience. If you like any of the parts we've looked over, such as the LEDs and body accessories, you can look us up at upcarparts.com.